If you want to test it out, just use a wire brush and you'll see if it's all loose. You start scraping down like this and you just see it radiating off. Look. That means you got a problem here. And you got to get quite a bit of this out, right? See the way it's pouring down? There we go. Now, sometimes I get an old tube here and just start shoveling away with that. You can use anything you like, right? And you can see it's getting rid of stuff, loose stuff. There we go. Now the other thing you can use when you're getting a little bit more into detail, you got to get 1.5 inches underneath the rocks here so you can put cement in there and hold this back up. So I get a screwdriver and I start digging it out. See? We'll brush that and wash it down before we put the cement in there, but that's what you need, depth for the cement to go in. As you can see, I'm creating a nice bit of depth in here. I'll take my mask off so you can hear me better. I'm creating a nice depth in here, right? So the cement will go in that crack. See? I can show you over here where this wall is quite well done, see? And you want to create a big depth. Now what you do is brush it off, and then you spray it with water, and then you put in your cement. But I spray it with water and clean off the stone a bit too sometimes, just to make sure it looks good. See what it's going to look like when it's wet. Okay, so that's how you prep the wall. Get it deep. Get it nice and deep in here, look, like that. Nice and deep. So your cement will stay in there. It's getting harder in here too, see. This line has been here since, you know, it's for since 1760. So, I mean, it's not as though it's not going to hold up. Will likely last another 100 years. Longer than any of us. And it's beautiful stonework, so there you go. I wire brush the stones afterward. I've pointed it. I've like cut open these slots. I wire brush the stones afterwards to clean them up, to give them a good look. Okay, there's the tips for today.